Welcome to Ibiza! I got here before my friends did, and I just checked into our hotel. But look how cute this place is. It's got this awesome retro vibe to it. And awesomely enough, well, we're right next to the pool and the huts. Good morning, world. We have somebody in bed.
I'm still hungover.
Ugh, weak sauce.
Don't judge me.
Weak sauce.
With my towel on me because it's cold.
It was really cold last night. But this pool, oh, there's people in the window. This pool's waiting for us. And she's in bed.
I'm getting up.
She's in bed. We're trying to turn up right now, but I can't hook up to a speaker. I can't get the tunes going. Got problems.
Oh, God.
So maybe if we just play the music without trying to connect to the speaker, because this isn't working. Are you even on?
That's because Trevor's connected to it.
Cause you don't even know.
Okay, Trevor's ready. Trevor's ready.